Morning everyone, a quick video just to show you that our club shop page is now live for you to purchase all of your club kit. So if you navigate to 3Q Sports in a search engine and you visit their website, once you are there you can simply type in Barnet Nightingales in the search bar, and there we are, which will take you to our club page where all our items of kit you're able to purchase them. So we ask that as a standard, the compulsory items, there are 4 of them that you should be purchasing for your child. Those are the matchday shirt, if you're an outfield player, the matchday shorts, matchday socks, which are great for goalkeepers, yellow for outfield players. Obviously, matchday goalkeeping top if you are a goalkeeper, and the training shirt to be worn to training sessions each and every week. So those are the 4 items that we ask that you purchase. If you wish to purchase the winter raincoat and the winter beanie hat, that is obviously totally up to you. Those are not something that we kind of say are compulsory items, but it does look good if all the team are turning up during sort of the winter months wearing their winter coats with their club badge on it. So I'm just going to run you through sort of filling up your basket with the items that you need and just talk to you a little bit about customizing them. It's important to note that all of our items come with the badge embroidered as standard, so you don't need to add any embroidery or customization to your kit. The only customization that you will be required to add will be the number to the back of your matchday shirts, so goalkeeper or outfield player, and also if you wish to add some initials to your winter training coat, then that is the other customized product. So if I just go ahead and start to add the 4 items that I mentioned, so if I start with an outfield players kit, I start here. I'm going to go for a medium, UK size 5 to 7.5, in yellow because I'm playing outfield. I'm going to add that to my basket. You can see that these are currently available and in stock at 3Q Sports. And then I'm going to go back to the club shop page, and then I'm going to add a pair of matchday shorts. Again, if you aren't certain of the sizes, the Nike size guide is available for you on the web page for you to make the accurate sort of size choices. I'm going to go for a medium adult. I'm going to add those to my basket. I'll close. I'm going to head back to the club page. I'm now going to add my training top. The training jersey is the only item that was, I should say, the training top, the beanie hat, and the winter coat are not produced by Nike. These are produced by an independent sort of brand. The suggested sizes are within the drop-down bar. So I'm going to go for, assuming I'm just putting together an adult kit, I'm going to go for a medium adult shirt. I'm going to put that into the basket. As you'll notice, it says here for a couple of the products, this is absolutely commonplace with 3Q Sports, as they don't hold masses of quantity of stock within their warehouses. So there are no Barnet Nightingales cool t-shirts in stock. These are available with 7 to 10 days from our supplier. So understood that. So I've added it to my basket. Current lead times to turn around the kit with embroidery and printing from the time when you actually purchase on their website is approximately 4 weeks. So they will obviously, once the order is made, they will then request the items from their suppliers. Those will come into 3Q Sports, into their warehouses, where they will then embroider and print and then send your sort of fully packaged kits to your doorstep. So I've now added a pair of outfield socks, matchday shorts, training shirt, and I'm now going to finish off by adding a matchday shirt. This is the item that requires the customization, because you will be required to add your squad number to the reverse of the shirt. So I'm going to go for a medium men's shirt. I'm then going to go down to customize because I want to add a number on the back. Is the shirt number required? Yes, it is. Enter the shirt number here. I've just put the number 5 already in here just to demonstrate. With regards to your shirt numbers, these shouldn't be chosen by you at random. you should have already been in contact with your team coach, who should have had discussions with you about the number that your child will be wearing in the upcoming season. And once that has been fully agreed and approved, we would then recommend you confirming that with the coach and then proceeding to add that number as customization on your shirt. So I've added the number 5 to my shirt. I have one medium Nike large men's, one medium men's adult shirt, which has now been customized. So I'm going to add that to my basket. It then prompts me again to say there are no Barnet Nightingales match shirts in stock at 3Q Sports, which again, over the years is absolutely fine and commonplace because they don't hold large quantities of Nike stock. So they will request this from the Nike supplier, and then that will come into the warehouse for them to embroider and print upon. So it is also very important to note, now that I've filled my basket with the 4 required items, that if any sizing is incorrect, as the shirt and the training shirt have already had a badge embroidered upon them, you will not be able to ask for a refund or for an exchange for a different size. 3Q Sports will simply not take that back, as obviously they're not going to be able to sort of resell stock which has got Barnet Nightingale's badges sort of plastered all over it. So it's very important to double check the sizes, ensure that the number on the back of the shirt is correct. Once you have added those 4 items to your basket, is then just a case, as you would do with any online transaction, just to view your basket, add your address, and then simply pay for the items. So I'm going to pay now. I don't want any other items, so I just simply want to proceed to checkout, and I'm going to ensure that everything is correct. Customize product, just double check the customization. I've entered a number 5, I'm happy with that. I have my training shirt, my shorts and my socks for an outfield player, so that's all good. I'm just going to continue, at which point I can add in. So I've just used the sort of school address, registered school address for the club. You'll obviously then hit continue, choose your delivery method, and then you can pay for the items at the end. And that is quite a straightforward way of you purchasing the items of kit from the club shop at your earliest convenience. If you do have any questions, please feel free to give me an email. I've put my details within the email that's come out to you. And if you're having any sort of technical issues with 3Q websites itself, obviously give the guys support at 3qsports.co.uk an email, and they'll do their best to sort of alleviate those problems.